At the solo shooting, 3 people died and then 4 were injured. Who's to blame? In Deep Sloot, during the Zamazama unrest, 9 women were raped while trying to shoot the music video. Who's to blame? I understand. In the country that you live in, teenagers spiked the drink of their fellow schoolmate and then they rape her. On the way to the clinic, when she gets there, they tell her she must go to the police station. When she gets to the police station, on the way, they tell her that she must go back to the clinic. On the way back to the clinic, she faints and then she passes away. Who's to blame? I understand. 350 million women globally will suffer from rape. 1 in 6 in America. 1 in 4 in colleges. 1 in 16 men in colleges. 90 will not report that rape of the women. I understand. What about the girls that are fetching water and then men come out from the bushes and they are raping her? This Uber pandemic, all the way to Washington, is a person posing to be a driver, and then the person is next thing is raped. Who's to blame? I understand. Me and you live in that world. It's not you alone who lives in that world. Richard Ramsey, 34 women. Who's to blame? Dennis Kedana raped a 13-year-old. 13-year-old. Now I understand. But now let's reverse a little bit and go back to this one of 34 women just by offering them a lift. Who are we supposed to point a finger to? Let's be honest. All 34 women looked at this guy and said he's not a monster. They got into his van. Now I understand. Putting themselves in a predator's space, in a predator's area, and they thought they were safe. Today there's 34 of them. Who is to blame? Now I understand. Now women need to stop pretending that every single guy is their boyfriend for 5 minutes. Because of now we have 34 women that have been raped. And we don't even know. Is it me next? Am I a rapist? Is it you? Are you gonna rape next? Are you the next victim? Who's to blame?